Shalom, 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 everyone. Today is day 13. I'm not a fan of the number, but today what we're talking about is what has discipline been restoring in me. And this is so beautiful because the Father has been using discipline to do wonders for me. So we know that it's been helping me to work with my self-esteem and increasing my self-esteem. But also, discipline has been increasing my desire, restoring my desire, and restoring my desire for things that will be pleasing unto the Most High. My desire to do better, to be stronger, to walk closer, with the Most High. And not just that, but yesterday, as I was working on my hair, I was sitting and I was thinking about what I need, what my son needs. The kind of man that we would need in the household. And it made me think about discipline because I desire a husband that's disciplined, that's consistent, that's going to get out there and do what he has to do, that's going to lead his family properly. A man that's going to be dedicated to the Most High. And if he's dedicated to the Most High, he's going to have discipline, because that just kind of comes with a relationship. A man that's disciplined enough to, not that he doesn't see other women, not that he's blind, but that he's so disciplined and committed to his relationship, to his family, that he exercises that discipline to keep him from cheating on me. Like just a man full of discipline. And help me, Father, to continue to become the woman that's disciplined for him, that wife that's disciplined, that, is going to pray instead of harp on problems. The woman that uplifts instead of brings down, the woman that encourages, and that takes discipline. It takes discipline not to just run your mouth off because you're in your feelings at the moment, and then the things that you say, now you done torn this man down. Internally, he may not show it, but you done tore him down. Words sting, and they have power. There's power in the tongue, and controlling the tongue. All of that is discipline. So discipline has just been restoring in me that desire to be better, to do better, to become what I want to have, so to speak, become the match for what I want to have. Because I can't be a disciplined, dedicated man, but I can be a disciplined, dedicated woman, a disciplined, dedicated wife to a disciplined, dedicated husband. And that, it's beautiful. Being disciplined and helping my son with his discipline. And, it's restoring patience in me as well, because before, my son would be doing stuff and I would get so, sometimes that I'm like, sit down, stop, But now with discipline, especially when he's having some of his moments or his episodes, like he was having an episode the other day and I sat with him and I talked with him and I told him, well, baby, the Most High called you to be this and he created you to be that. And after we finished talking, he was like, Mom, I feel so much better. Like, that is so important. Having the discipline to not get caught up in everything that's going on to the point where I'm just reacting. I need the discipline to always make sure that I'm leading with spirit, to make sure that I'm leading with prayer, that I'm leading with patience, because that's what my household needs. So discipline is restoring a lot of me, and I'm grateful for the journey. I'm feeling really good. We're at day 13. We got a long way to go. But I'm feeling really good about what the Father is doing, what he's showing me. And I'm just grateful because now I know what to pray for. Now I know what to ask for. Before, when I would think about what I wanted, I didn't have a real answer. But the more he's working on me, the more that answer becomes clearer, the more the vision is becoming clearer. And I'm so grateful for that. He's restoring me. My Father is restoring me through his son, and I'm so grateful. Discipline is just one part of it. It's a very big part of it, but it's just one part of it. He's restoring so much in me, and I'm grateful. And I pray that you all have a great week. I pray that you had a great weekend. Stay safe. Keep going. Keep growing. Much love and shalom to everyone.